Hi everyone, Kristen here from Development and Alumni Relations. Today I am going to show you how to create a report using Report Builder. The first step I do is I go to my LaSalle, that's my homepage, so I click on Employees, and there's a link there for Report Manager 3.0, so you just want to click on that. And it brings up all your reports that you have saved and written or IT has done for you. But to create your own, you want to click Report Builder right here. So just click it and it's going to open up a new application. It may take a minute or so if it's your first time opening it. So it pops up this wizard, and what you want to do is click on Create a Table or Matrix wizard if you just want to make a simple list. So you just click on that, and it's going to pop up this screen which asks you to create a data set. The data set is built off your data models that IT has built for you, whether it be from Power Campus or another database. So you just want to hit next. And if your data model isn't listed in this list, you just want to hit browse and go to models. And IT has built me a bunch of different data models built off Power Campus because you can't just have one big data model. It would overload with information. So for this purpose, I'm going to click on Biomart, which is basically just demographic information of alumni and friends. So you just hit open, go to next, and this is where all your fields are that you can choose from. As you can see, there's a lot, and there's different subfolders with different information like their alumni year, degree, their addresses, and lots of other information. But for this report, I am going to pull a list of all alumni in the class of 2002 who have an active email address. A lot of times I get asked to create a report of people that just have email addresses just for e-blasts or mailing addresses. So as standard, I always choose the Power Campus ID, and all you have to do is just double click on the field and it will put it up here. And you scroll through to find email address, their primary email address, and to find their class year, you go into this subfolder and just double click. Now it won't let you go into the next step unless you apply a filter. The filter is where I'll choose my parameter for everyone with an email address and the class year of 2002. So again, what you want to do is it pulls up all your fields. I'm going to find email primary, and here it's a hyperlink and you can change it. I'm going to change it to is blank or empty, but not blank or empty, because I want everyone who has an email address. And then you just double click again on the class year, and since I'm just choosing one class year, I can leave it as equals. Or if I wanted to do a range, you can do from to, so I could do 2002 to 2004, or you can pick in a list from, you can pick any class year you want. But for this purpose, I am just going to choose equals. And you hit OK. You hit next. And it's going to ask you to order your fields, so you just drag each one into the values. Like so. Or you could just click on the first one, hold down Shift, and click on the last and drag the whole thing over. Hit next. Hit next again. And these are just different styles you can have. I always just use the default because you can change it later. And hit finish. And it defaults to add a title. You can add a title here. I always take this out and I take the title out because when you export it to Excel, you have to take it out anyway if you want to do sorting and stuff like that. So to move it, you just click here and it will pull up this crossbar, and you just move it up. And then you just hit run to see your results. And there you go. I have everyone in the class of 2002 with an email address. So now I'm ready to e-blast them about giving to the LaSalle Fund. That's it for now. Bye.